Hi guys, welcome back to the Nails channel, and today we are doing a surprise set. We decided to do a spinner wheel, and basically these are our options, so you'll see in a minute that we end up picking one of them. I hope you enjoy.
Okay.
Yeah,
good. You can't really see that one, but it's...
You kind of see it. I like the green. Cool, so that's what we've got, and now we're gonna spin a wheel.
Bear with me. Are we doing first one or last one standard?
Last, let's just make it. Let's do a thing.
Two.
I don't remember what 2 was. Oh, it was the swirly.
We'll get there.
Woggle.
Oh, we're nearly there. We don't have to describe
Imagine the last one. Dominoes.
Chinese.
Chinese, yeah.
Oh, we're on the last 4.
Okay.
It's got 1, 4, 5, and 6.
Oh, now we're in the middle. This is exciting. I need to do this more often. Imagine it's number 1. What was number 1?
The leopard-print beverly.
Oh, cute.
Right.
Oh.
1 and 4.
Okay.
Spin.
Oh, it's number 1.
It's number 1.
Are you okay with number 1?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So number 1.
So we're doing. I really wanted to do them as well. They're really cute. Let's do that then. So I'm going to use matte top coat as my base. So I always do. Still don't know why I do that, but I just do it. I always say I feel like I can draw out my French better on a matte base. I don't know whether it's just the gel clings to it better or what.
Probably.
I'm not sure. Is it raining again? Yeah. What's this weather? It's felt really like wintry today.
It hurt like
Autumn.
Autumn, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it like Wednesday was the last day of the year that the sun will be up at 8 PM?
Really? What, Wednesday just gone?
Yeah.
Oh, it's depressing.
That's why it's getting dark earlier.
So the base of the tip for the leopard print is like a nude, so we're going to use sugar cookie. I'm just going to demonstrate on one nail how I do my French, to be fair, and then I'm just going to zoom on the other ones. So I usually will use the brush to figure out what point I want the French to stop at, which today I think we'll do it about there because they do have a fair amount of pattern in it. I don't want to have too much of a thin tip, if that makes sense. This is a really good colour. And then I will just angle my brush slightly on a diagonal as a guideline. And these polishes have got really good coverage. So you generally only need 1 coat as well. You don't need to have 2, which is really good for nail art. So I'm just going to drag it up the side. Oh my god, why is my brush doing that? The side walls are really high on this one. So we're going to bring them up high, and you are going to outline this tip with a pink like inner line in this section here, so we don't need it to be too narrow. So you just start now building up where you want your smile line to begin. This is such a nice nude. Oh my god. I've not used this yet, I don't think. No, I don't think so. I lose track of what I've used. Yeah, but I don't think I've used this yet. Ran out of storage yet again, so we're now using my old phone. For the centre we're going to use Old Soul, which is quite similar to that little middle bit of the cheetah. Is it like cheetah print or
leopard, cheetah?
It's such a nice colour also.
That is, and I think that's the exact colour.
I think we've absolutely nailed it, excuse the pun. I'm just going to start now with the cheetah print or leopard print. You want to always use the middle colour first and just do any kind of random designs. Usually dots and half circles are quite good for this. And if you want to make it look really realistic, you want to put some on the ends like I've done here. And I think I'm going to just put a little bit there. That's kind of how you want it to look to start with. So now you should have something like this, and they kind of look like giraffe print, don't they? I think this is really cute. I've just noticed I've still got Barley's pillow behind it. She left it in here earlier. So you want to make sure you just take a little bit. You need to use a fine liner brush, not mine because mine looks horrendous. And then you're going to basically wrap around each side of the brown like that. You don't want to go the whole way around, you just want to do, on the smaller ones, just do one side like that. And on the bigger ones, do half and half. I always say that as well. I always go, okay, so every clip when I'm editing is like, okay, so. That's what I should say. Next up is trimmer. Slap that on. So this is a really nice baby pink, but it's like a mid-tone. So we're going to use that now to outline the French tip. You're gonna get your rhinestone glue. You're gonna need to use a fair bit of this to make sure it stays on. Builder gel will do the same thing. This is a little bit thicker. I've not used this much before. This isn't the perfect colour match either. I think the picture has a little bit more of a pinkier bow, but these are fine. They look cute. And then you can do the same with that one. Make sure that they are sitting even before you cure them. They look really cute. So, very, very cute. So to finish, I'm just going to use pink pineapple cuticle oil. Just make sure you don't rub this onto your nails. I'm literally going to pop it just along the edge because I don't want to mess up the mat for the photos. that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed that little fun session with me and Charli, and I really liked how the nails came out in the end. Make sure to drop us a like, comment and subscribe, and also if you want to receive a 10% discount on your next order, then on the website make sure to type in Styled by Meb 10 and that'll give you a really nice discount. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.